Hello friends, we have to solve the above equation, that is x equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 and xy equals to 1. Then we have to find the value of x square minus 3xy plus y square by x square plus 3xy plus y square. Let's solve it. See, we have the value given xy equals to 1. So if xy equals to 1, then value of y will be 1 by x. Then value of y would be 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Now from hence we can find the value of x plus y, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 pi plus 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now if we solve it, we will be finding 3 plus 2 root 2 as denominator, and the numerator would be 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 1. So 3 plus 2 root 2, this would be 9 plus 12 root 2 plus 8 plus 1. So the ultimate value would be 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 12 root 2 by 3 plus 3 plus 2 root 2. Now if we take 6 common of the numerator, we will be finding a value as 6 into 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Now these two cancels each other and the final value is 6, that is x plus y equals to 6, right? Now let's solve this one. Okay, x square minus 3xy plus y square and x square plus 3xy plus y square. Now if we do this in that way, x square plus y square means x square plus y, x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and this is minus 3xy, so minus 3xy. Similarly, for the denominator, x square plus y square equals to x plus y whole square minus 2xy and plus 3xy. So the equation becomes x plus y whole square plus xy and x plus y whole square minus 5xy. Okay, now the x plus y, the value of x plus y, what we have found? We have found x plus y equals to 6, right? So we will put in the value of 6. So 6 square minus, and the value of xy is 1, right? By minus 5 divided by 6 square plus 1 means 36 minus 5 and 36 plus 1. So it becomes 31 by 37. So this is our answer.